Hi YouTube, I'm Tim Northup, and in this box I have the new Schuyler NKJV Stridon, and I'm going to do an unboxing for you guys. And there's the package. And this is the Blue Sapphire, new Blue Sapphire colorway. All right, let's take a closer look at the Bible here. This is, of course, the Blue Sapphire cover. It's a new cover from Schuyler. It's very interesting. It's textured, all these creases and wrinkles. You can feel them, and it makes for a very unique kind of cover. You have the Jerusalem cross here that Schuyler puts on all their Bible covers. And then this is the full Yapp that I ordered, which means that this overhang here, the front and the back cover can fold over and touch each other, which is supposed to add extra protection for the page edges. Looking at the spine, we have the typical raised hubs here. And then here's the back cover. It also has that tooling around the edges. Let's look at the gild. I think it's blue under gold is what I think it is. You can see there the three ribbons. So let's open it up. We've got the calfskin leather liner on the inside with the Schuyler Bibles insert. And then presentation page. We've got marriages, births, deaths, and then the title page here. Let's skip ahead to Genesis, see how it opens. So we are here at Genesis 1, and it lays flat. Not entirely flat, but it'll lay open on a desk, on a table without you holding it. And then this is what's so interesting about the Stridon, and I really like, is it's a single column text, and it's also verse by verse. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then it looks like the new paragraphs, it bolds the verse number. And then down at the bottom, it has the translator's notes separate from the cross-reference system, which I also like. It makes it really easy to use. So let's look at the first pages of the books of the Bible. Let's turn here to Exodus. Okay, I was curious about this. It looks like new books do not start on their own page, which is interesting. It'll save space. I prefer them to start on their own page, but not a big deal. So let's skip ahead to find some poetic text. Here's the Psalms. And so we can see that they separate the stanzas, which is a nice touch. It's interesting. I'd be curious to see how well those stanza breaks hold up as far as how the ideas flow. But it does look really nice. It reads really easily. So let's skip ahead. There we have the book of Jeremiah, the end of Isaiah. So again, the books don't start on their own page. Skip ahead to the New Testament. There's the ribbon. And as I'm turning the pages, I'm feeling that the paper feels like your standard Schuyler paper. I would have to look it up to be sure, but it feels the same. It is red letter, so the words of Christ in red, and then verses that are in red have the verse number in black, which makes it easy to read. Let's flip through. Into the epistles here. I like the contrast between the paragraph or section title and the text, which also makes it easy to find. Let's look here through Revelation. And that is the end, page 1893 of Bible text. I would have to go back and check. I would guess Genesis 1 is on page 1. We have the concordance, a very robust concordance for being in the back of the Bible. I'm sure it's handy in a pinch. I do a lot of my looking up words and verses online, not online, but on my computer with my Bible software. And then we have some notes pages. So those who like to use those kinds of pages will find that handy. Bible maps. I'm going to guess these are the standard ones. I haven't looked it up, but it has 12. And then they have a slightly more textured feel and then a matte look to them. But the Schuyler maps are pretty nice maps. And then that is it. A couple end pages here. And the liner. So yeah, first impressions overall, very nice Bible. It doesn't feel significantly thicker or heavier or heftier than my Quintel. The blue is interesting. It's maybe a little lighter than I prefer, but the Blue Sapphire is a nice look. I'm sure it will, some will really like it and some will really miss the more standard blue. I forget what it's called, the navy blue. But yeah, overall, very nice Bible. Well, that's it for the unboxing. My first impression is this is a wonderful looking Bible that's going to make a lot of people really happy. I should mention that I bought this Bible with my own money. Nobody sent it to me. Nobody gets to review this video. These are just my own thoughts, but I'd like to know your thoughts. So if you want to share them, please drop a line in the comments. If you want more content, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.